Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Mercedes CLA 180 AMG line. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 134 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 46 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 23 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history from Mercedes. This particular colour is called the Cosmos Black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Mercedes, you've got the gorgeous interior. Everything feels nicely finished. The seats are leather, heated on the front and also electric. And there's a nice armrest which opens up for a cubby hole in the centre as well. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. Cruise control, which is on the right-hand side of the steering wheel just there. And on the driver's door card, you've got your controls for the electric and heated front seats. And then finally, your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As you open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own 2 air vents there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and just underneath the boot floor you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the glass opening sunroof there, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.